Speculation is growing that the UK could set to be home to the next Tesla factory after Elon Musk flew into the country, but where will it be and what models could it build? Musk got tongues wagging yet again after the car and space mogul played a flying visit to the UK last weekend. He reportedly flew into Luton Airport from California on his Gulfstream jet, staying for 2 days. It is possible that this was just a layover on the way to Germany, where he visited the site of Tesla's upcoming German Gigafactory, which has been hit by delays, reportedly in the wake of bureaucratic hell. However, with the complexities of travel in the pandemic, even hitting private jets, this seems unlikely. The visit coincided with UK government officials embarking on a hunt for a possible location for a new car factory, with local councils given just 48 hours to propose bids and sites for a 250 hectare electric car factory for an unnamed company. The process was run by the Office of Investment, a new government entity set up to attract investment to the UK in the wake of Brexit. Possible locations are said to include the Gravity site in Somerset, with officials in Teesside and the West Midlands also said to have lodged bids. With the new German car factory due to start making Model Ys next year, it's possible the UK factory could produce the Model X, and with Britain's established sports car industry, possibly the next-gen Tesla Roadster. If Tesla is behind the move and it goes ahead, it could be worth up to £80 billion to the UK's car industry.